What is the easiest way to configure Babel for JavaScript? Imagine turning your modern JavaScript code into something all browsers and servers can understand without breaking a sweat. That's what Babel helps you do. But setting it up can seem tricky at first. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the simplest way to get Babel up and running in your project. First, start with your project folder. If you haven't already, run npm init to create a package.json file. This file keeps track of all your project dependencies. Next, you need to install Babel and its key packages. Run npm install savedev at Babel core at Babel CLI at Babel preset env. This command adds Babel's main engine, a command line tool, and a preset that handles most modern JavaScript features. Once installed, create a Babel configuration file in your project root. You can name it or Babel config.json. For simplicity, let's use inside add this code. Presets at Babel preset env. This tells Babel to use the preset that converts new JavaScript syntax into older versions your environment supports. If you want to target specific environments like only the latest Node.js version, you can tweak the preset. For example, add targets Node current inside the preset options. This way, Babel will only transpile features your current Node version doesn't support. Now you're ready to run Babel. Use the command npx babel soc outdoor dist. This takes all your JavaScript files from the soc folder and outputs the transpiled versions into the dist folder. It's quick and easy. If you're working on a web project, you can also connect Babel with build tools like Webpack or Rollup. This makes transpilation automatic whenever you build your project. For extra features, like experimental JavaScript syntax, add plugins such as add Babel plugin proposal class properties. If you're using React, include at Babel preset React in your presets array. Remember, Babel config files can be in JSON or JavaScript format, giving you flexibility for more complex setups. If you work on multiple packages or a monorepo, you can create a shared Babel configuration at the top level. Then, extend or override it in individual projects. This keeps things organized and saves time. In short, the easiest way to configure Babel is to install the core packages, create a simple babelrc file with the preset, and run Babel through the command line. It's straightforward, quick, and covers most needs for modern JavaScript development. Starting with at Babel preset env and a basic config file gets you set up fast and ready to write cleaner, compatible code.